This is from Aisha radiallahu anha. She said, كان رسول الله إذا دخل العشر أحيا. Okay, so when the 10 entered, it says, I'm giving you literally, I'm not trying to spoon feed you information. I'm having you feel the words. When the 10 entered, what does that mean? The last 10 nights of Ramadan. That's what it means. Okay? When the 10 entered. So the way she's saying it, you can just imagine yourself. Everybody understood what that meant. When the 10 entered. Right? إِذَا دَخَلَ الْعَشْرُ أَحْيَا اللَّيْلِ. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to make the night alive. As if it was daytime. Yeah, you can say, you have multiple ways to understand it. Make the night alive. Night is dead. Why is night dead? Obviously it's dark. Everybody's sleeping. Everybody's sleeping, right? And sleeping is the sister of death, right? Everybody's asleep. So when it says Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to wake up the night, what did it mean? He pretended it was not night. He was up worshipping. وَأَيْقَظَ أَهْلَهُ. And he used to wake up his family. He used to stay awake himself. And he used to wake up his family. وَجَدَّ وَشَدَّ مِئْزَرٍ. Okay? And he strove very much, very hard to worship, meaning he did extra ibadah at night. So not just Taraweeh, okay? Taraweeh, that's a cheat code for us actually, by the way. Rasulullah didn't do Taraweeh the way we do Taraweeh. That's not, we'll talk about that inshallah in a week or two, okay? So we do a cheat code. We do a hack. Because, Umar radiallahu anh, he didn't want to make life too difficult for us weak human beings and weak Muslims. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us strength. Ameen. And then he used to tighten his belt. Meaning, remember last time we talked about it, it has two meanings. One meaning is, and Ibn Qudama in Minhaj al-Qasidin also explained, he used to tighten his belt, meaning, and actually we studied this hadith in Minhaj al-Qasidin. It says he got ready, meaning he was always ready to exert more energy. So he was prepared for every night. He was prepared to worship. Every night we're prepared to, do our iftar and then, eat as, fill our stomachs, and then we're like snoozing in Taraweeh, and then we go and we crash on the bed, right? And what did Rasulullah ﷺ used to do? He used to look forward to break his fast so he can get a little bit of energy with the niyyah to actually exert all night in worship. Okay? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us those opportunities, those days of COVID. By the way, wallahi, they were the most beautiful days for me because I had the best Ramadan during COVID. Why? Because nobody's coming to the masjid. Everybody's praying at home. Everybody's breaking iftar with their families. Everybody's around you. Everybody's encouraging you. And the best part, you don't have to. We'll talk about that next time. You don't have to come for Tarawih in the masjid, right? Where you find the most khushu', wherever you find the most khushu' and the connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that's what you do in qiyam. So, praying Tarawih at night alone, long Tarawih, nobody's disturbing you. Wallahi, it was the best Ramadan I've ever had during COVID, wallah. I wish I could have that again, but not in those circumstances. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Okay, so the second meaning is he used to just avoid being with his wives during the night. Shadda mi'zarahu. For the last 10 nights. For the last 10 nights.